Okay.
Can we stand up or we can't stand up?
And you can have a book?
No, no, no. Just put your two hands there. All right.
Make sure in Delhi, this time what happened was that one. The same thing we should do here. It's on the pressure. We are also
We've already videos after, so we are going out to the
really, first time it's happening in India. So you must market it. Market it.
Yeah, no, we went all out and we otherwise we can have all channels and in fact Anisha has called Anisha first. She has called and she wanted to do an exclusive picture. Until last minute we were fighting with her that we can't do an exclusive video but obviously after the video now she's not even taking my call.
Okay. But what about giving them some income from other countries?
Yeah, they want to we have control over only this one time. Yeah. Can't be promised.
Figure out how to.
Yeah.
I think stress and all have you studied?
Yeah.
You know, because of this gas check. So we need to figure out how to. Interesting thing. How do we do it?
For this, we are doing making vignettes of the event itself and we are going out to all channels. Taking it up and because apart maybe there is more people, I think we will face the 2 million people in London. Hello. Hi, I'm everything doesn't go off.